One of the main reasons for speaking to the press on my first morning as President of the Law Society is to clearly signal our intention to get on the front foot in addressing critical legal issues that affect the community. People's fundamental rights are often threatened from a variety of sources, and the legal profession has the will and expertise to fight for these rights. Lawyers have gotten a bad rap for far too long. The reputation of lawyers in this country, largely formed through their portrayal in popular media, is at odds with the reality for clients, who for the most part are delighted with the work of their lawyers. Indeed, lawyers work to protect people's rights, often at times when Parliament is trying to impinge on them. Most lawyers are driven by a fierce sense of justice and equity, and it's with that as a motivation that I believe we need to stand up and take the lead on critical justice issues that affect the fabric of our society. The legal profession is best placed to set the agenda on matters of law, and we intend a more proactive approach. Today I'm releasing the Law Society's top policy issues. They are issues that threaten or erode people's rights, issues that the Society intends to speak out about. I'll comment on a few. Our Attorney General recently described the state's workers' compensation scheme as buggered. The Society has for years made submissions to government, essentially saying the same thing, although not in such language. Workers' compensation is one of our top policy issues, and we will vigorously push for a scheme to better protect injured workers whilst remaining affordable for business. The compulsory third-party insurance reforms, which came to effect in July, have significantly reduced the rights of injured motorists. Without the Society's persistent campaigning, motor accident victims would have been far worse off, but the fight isn't yet over. Victims of crime payments are grossly inadequate and must be addressed. These are the types of issues that affect thousands of South Australians. The legal profession has an obligation to raise awareness of these issues and to let people know when their basic rights and entitlements are being threatened. To that end, we will also not shy away from the more sensitive but equally important contemporary legal issues such as marriage equality and euthanasia. These are debates we have to have if we are to tackle the issues of law reform head-on, and I look forward to the challenge.